Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the TEAS nursing exam. First, familiarize yourself with the test structure, including the number of questions and time limits for each section. Next, develop a realistic study plan that allocates sufficient time to each subject: reading, math, science, and English language usage. Finally, prioritize using official TEAS study guides and practice tests to ensure your preparation aligns with the actual exam. To master the TEAS content, identify your areas of weakness through diagnostic tests and dedicate extra study time there. Employ active learning techniques like flashcards and self-quizzing to reinforce concepts. Spaced repetition, reviewing material at increasing intervals, significantly boosts long-term memory. Regularly taking full-length, timed practice exams will help you manage your time effectively and reduce test day anxiety. On the day before your TEAS exam, prioritize a good night's sleep, aiming for 7 to 8 hours of rest. A well-rested mind performs better under pressure. On exam morning, eat a balanced breakfast to maintain energy and focus throughout the test. Plan to arrive at the testing center at least 30 minutes early to allow for check-in procedures and to settle in without feeling rushed. After completing practice tests, meticulously review every question, especially those you answered incorrectly, to learn from your errors. During the actual TEAS exam, maintain a positive mindset and manage your time wisely. Remember, you've prepared thoroughly, so trust your knowledge and abilities. And hey, while you're optimizing your life, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your study space pristine.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.